for the next couple of minutes, I just want you guys to please listen to me. Put your phone away, put all the distractions away, and really lock in on this video, because this is the only video that you're gonna need for the rest of your life if you want to start making fucking bank on meme coins. So please guys, just lock in for a little bit, and I promise you it will be worth it. And I know you guys are thinking, what am I gonna have to do to get there? But just please listen, it's not that hard. If you want to go from here, like I said, to over here, just make sure you guys pay attention. I used to be here not too long ago, and trust me, I would spend every single day just on this DEX, Photon, whatever it was, just scanning, just like all the gurus would tell me. They would tell me to put filters, to set all these market caps, liquidity, make sure to look for this and that. And it's all the same bullshit. Like, trust me, these coins are all stupid. I bet you if I were to wait here long enough, we're going to see this shit just rug like instantly. And it's happening day in and day out. People are doing it 24 fucking 7. It does not stop. People are making money. People are losing money. And you don't want to be the one losing money. Trust me, because I've been there. I've lost a shit ton of money. It sucks. Trust me, it sucks. I want you guys to be here and to sell here and not be here. That's the end goal. Please, guys, that is really the end goal. And I just want you guys to listen to me, because I'm going to teach you the exact way how I went from being over here where I would buy if it was here and selling over here when I'm already fucked. Like, that's how it was for me. That's literally how it was for me. This is the coin right here. I would buy it when it was like right here, and then it would go up a little bit more right here, and then I would have to sell right here for a fucking loss every single time. But I want you guys to be here when the coin is new. You're buying in, you're getting in, and you're selling up here, and you're fucking everyone. That's really what it is. I'm serious, that's all it is. There is no magical filter that all these stupid gurus are telling you on these scanners that is going to get you in right here. Like, this is an obvious rug. There is no scanner on any type of platform that's going to get you in right here to the point where you're going to be able to sell for 100x or whatever it is. Really, what it takes is insider knowledge. What I mean by that is really kind of having a network. With a network, you're going to know when the coin is dropping, what the coin is going to be, where it's going to be. You're going to have knowledge to all that. Basically, you're going to have the who, what, when, where, why to get in right here and fucking 10x and sell and bag all that shit up. No type of scanner, nothing is going to get you that. I'm telling you right now, I've been doing this for a while, and there is nothing like that on any platform, because if there is, sign me up. There's nothing on it. So this is where we're going to be able to capitalize on all this, ride the wave, and sell our way out. Now, most of us won't have access to this network right here where it's going to get us what I said before. I do have a Telegram channel that is going to be linked below, and you guys feel free to join. There, I do put a lot of helpful information, but at the same time, I'm not giving out all the sauce. Why? Because it took me a long time to build up my network to where I am now an insider. At one point, I didn't have all this information. I really didn't, and a lot of you guys don't. So how does one become an insider? This is what you're going to want to become, an insider. Why? Because an insider will be able to get in here, ride the top, sell up here, and never lose. That's what an insider has the capability of doing. They never lose, because even if the coin were to hit a 20K market cap, a 50K market cap, a 100K market cap, whatever it is, they're never going to lose. They're always going to make money, and they have the power to orchestrate this and really just be on the top, collect the money, and leave. That's really all it is. To become an insider is really not that hard, really. I'm going to show you guys in this video the exact blueprint on how to do it. And this is how I started. So, one, being heavy market research. The more eyeballs you're getting, the more views, statistically, the more people are going to buy your shit. Let's just say, hypothetically, you have 1 million, right? 1 million people see your shit. Let's just say 10K, which is 1%, right? That's a measly 1%. Obviously, it's going to be more, is 10K. Whatever it is you're selling, shirts, food, in this scenario, meme coins, this is going to be the people that are going to buy your shit, which is going to equal a higher market cap. Higher market cap, which is obviously going to give you a higher liquidity, exit liquidity. You're going to make more money when you rug people. That's the baseline. And in my opinion, it's one of the hardest things to do. But with the blueprint I'm going to give you, it really shouldn't be that too hard, because when you're looking for market research, you want to base your trends on things that are already trending. For example, when was it? Sunday was the Super Bowl. That would have been the perfect example. Right now, it's different. It's a different day. You need to look and find what's trending. Real life things. Don't base your meme coins on stupid, dumb shit, you know? I mean, it might work, but most of the time, base your research on heavy things that are happening in real life. So what I like to do is I like to go on X, and I kind of look to see what's trending with Trump, with Elon Musk, with Andrew Tate, whatever it is. These people are always getting heavy eyeballs, and if a meme coin is made there, people are going to buy. And for instance, if it's your meme coin, people are going to buy your shit, and you are going to have a high market cap, and you are going to rug the fuck out of everyone and make a shit ton of money. After doing a little bit of market research here on X, you could see that this is a trending topic. Elon Gulf, with the whole thing about the Gulf of Mexico being turned to the Gulf of America with Trump, all this shit is perfect because it's trending. It has eyeballs on it. Guys, don't make this more complicated than it is. It really is that simple, because once you have eyeballs on it, like I said, remember 1% of 1 mil is 10K. You will have people buying your shit. That is one way to gain traffic. I'm going to put traffic right here. And there's another way how to gain traffic, which I'm going to explain now. So the other way on how to create traffic is a little bit more strategic, but it is possible. You could partner with a famous influencer that actually already has active followers. That's why you see nowadays a lot of these influencers doing rug pulls. Why? Because it goes back to this simple concept. They have the eyeballs already. They have the views. So it's worth it to make a rug because they're going to make money. They already have the views. So if you're able to capitalize on that, you could make money off their views and steal it. Or you could go famous. Take a meme, for example, the whole chill guy that went famous and people capitalized. They made a coin off of it and they made a shit ton of money. Like to this day, they're still making and printing money. Those are the ways on how you're going to basically do your market research. From my experience, it's easier to just go what's already trending. Follow the trend, ride the wave. Go on Twitter, go on YouTube, whatever it is, find real life, real things that are trending and just make something based around that. The next step in this is the creation. When you guys are creating a coin, keep in mind you have to, and I mean have to, be very strategic when it comes to building this coin. There are actually a lot of platforms out there that allow you to actually publish a coin. I know you guys know this. It's not really any new news that I'm going to tell you, but for example, Pump.Fun. As you guys could see, this is Pump.Fun, and I have launched coins on here before, and at the time back then I used to buy coins on here, but a lot of these are shitty rugs. I'm going to tell you why. Because no one's going to take your shit seriously on Pump.Fun. Like, the market cap is ridiculously low. These coins don't even migrate, they don't even graduate. I think it's like 100K that it needs to graduate. So a lot of these coins on Pump.Fun have a lot of competition, and they're not serious coins. But there's other dexes, for example, like Radium, that are a little bit more serious because they require developers and coding and all these things. And like I said, the market caps are way higher. Like this one right here just launched 1 minute ago. The market cap is already at a billion, which is fucking insane. But going back to what I said, Pump.Fun is there, but it's not that serious. In this video, I actually found a platform that lets you launch coins on Radium without all that extra BS and all that developer and coding stuff, which is fucking insane because I really don't know how long this shit's gonna last, but I really want you guys to capitalize it just as I am and make a shit ton of money. So this website is actually called coinfast. Coinfast. Simple like that. It's gonna be coinfast.fun. So, like I said, with this platform, you're gonna be able to create your own coin and launch it on Radium, and it's gonna really be taken way more seriously. So I have made a little bit of coins right here, like you guys can see, but for this purpose, I'm gonna keep going what I was saying before about the whole trending thing. I'm gonna put Golf of Elon, right? And this one I'm just gonna put Golf Elon. Make sure you guys fill these in for the token name and the token symbol. And for here, this is pretty simple. You have to get an image on 500 by 500. Just go online, download an image, and put it on Canva. Put it under logo, and it'll give you the option to download it as 500 by 500. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put a random image. I really don't have anything really that I know here. Let's see. Random download. This was another meme coin I made. Let's just throw it in here, right? You're going to click next. And make sure you guys leave this at 9 and the total supply at 100 billion. And right here, you guys could just put whatever you want. It really doesn't matter, but I'm just doing this for the video. But make sure you guys put something in there and make it relatable to your token. You're going to hit next. And right here, you guys could leave all this blank because it really doesn't fucking matter because no one's going to see your shit. Make sure you guys just follow everything here. This is the most important part. The reason why I say this is because this is what's going to make your coin trustworthy to people that are scanning on dexes. And when they see your coin, if you guys don't have these, they're not going to buy your shit because they're going to obviously know it's going to rug. So make sure these are selected. They're already pre-selected, so there's no need to actually go ahead and select them. So just leave them that way. You're going to go ahead and create your token. After your token is already created, which really shouldn't take that long, you're ready for the pre-launch. Depending on which route you took, whether it's being going on a trending actual world event or going down the influencer or whatever route you went through, if you did go through this route, this step is a little bit more important. So you guys would kind of want to tease the coin a little bit. So maybe post it on an Instagram story saying beware in the next whatever it is, this coin is going to be dropping and it's the next huge project. Kind of teasing it like that. And from there, it's pretty self-explanatory. You launch the actual fucking coin. And from there, you're considered an insider, which is what we talked about earlier, right? And what did I say about that? Insiders never lose. Why? Because you're getting in here, and it doesn't fucking matter if your coin hits 10K market cap, 20, 50, 100, a mil, whatever it is, you're always going to win. I promise you, that is the story. That is the game. You're never going to lose if you're an insider. The insiders always make the most money with the least amount of effort. So once you're there, you are going to have the ability to take all liquidity away from the coin, or essentially rug the fuck out of the coin. And remember, these are all videos for educational purposes, guys. This is what you're going to do. This is exactly what you're going to do. Right there. That's going to be you selling and rugging everyone. So if you guys want to go from this right here to this, make sure you guys follow all the steps and join the Telegram channel that I'm going to link in the comments below.